yesterday, January 5th, 2017. Yesterday's high temperature of 2 degrees occurred at 3:50 p.m. The record high is 47 degrees, which was set in 1885. Yesterday's low temperature of -8 occurred at 11:59 p.m. The record low is -28 degrees, which was last set in 1924. The mean temperature was -3 degrees and was 19 degrees below the normal of 16. A trace of precipitation fell yesterday, which brings the monthly total to 0.02 inches. This is 0.14 inches below the normal amount of 0.16 inches for January. The total precipitation for the year now stands at 0.02 inches, which is 0.14 inches below normal. A trace of snow fell yesterday, which brings the monthly total to a trace. This is 1.9 inches below the normal amount of 1.9 inches for January. The total snowfall for the year now stands at 18.1 inches, which is 5.6 inches below normal. There was 1 inch of snow on the ground. There were 68 heating degree days yesterday, which is 19 above normal. This brings the monthly total to 254, which is 9 above normal. The yearly total since July 1st is 2,656, which is 612 below normal. There were no cooling degree days yesterday, which is normal. This leaves the monthly total at 0, which is normal. The yearly total since January 1st is 0, which is normal. Yesterday the maximum wind observed was 17 miles an hour from the northwest. The highest wind gust observed was 21 miles an hour from the northwest. Yesterday the average wind speed was 10 miles an hour. The normal high temperature for today is 23 degrees, and the normal low is 8. The record high for today is 49, which occurred in 1900, and the record low is -27, which occurred in 1912. Sunrise today is at 7:50 a.m. and sunset is at 4:48 p.m. This is the Twin City Metropolitan Area Weather Radio Station, KEC 65, serving a portion of east-central Minnesota and west-central Wisconsin. We broadcast from the National Weather Service in Chanhassen, Minnesota, on a frequency of 162.55 megahertz, and transmit from the 5 Eyewitness News television tower in St. Paul. The current time is 8:46 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 8 a.m. in the Twin Cities it was clear. It was -9 degrees, or -23 degrees Celsius. The dew point was -15. The relative humidity was 75%. The wind was southwest at 6 miles an hour. The wind chill was -22. The pressure was 30.22 inches and rising. Around the metro, it was clear, with a temperature of -8 at St. Paul, -9 at South St. Paul, and -11 at Crystal. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin for today and tonight. Wind chill readings between 25 below zero and 35 below zero will occur this morning across much of the coverage area, mainly outside of the Twin Cities metro. And now the extended outlook for the period Saturday through Thursday. Wind chill readings of 20 below zero to 30 below zero are likely across the entire coverage area Saturday and Sunday. Accumulating snow is possible on Tuesday. Spotter information statement. Sky warns spotter activation will not be needed through tonight.